Have you caught yourself being stressed out because of politics, especially with the recent election? Well, with the power of Google AI, I have built an extension to help us alleviate some of those problems. For me, just seeing the content is enough to kind of give me a little bit of a mini panic attack. So, let me show you how it works. First, whenever you load the extension and then refresh the page, it will initialize the AI. Then it's going to go through all of the different content on the page and it's going to determine if it's political or not. And you'll see as it determines if each element is or isn't, items are going to pop in and sometimes they'll stay blurred. You might be wondering, well, if it's blurred, what if I actually do want to see it? Or maybe I want to peek to see if it is something that I deem as political. Well, if you hover over it, you'll see and it'll reveal what its content is. Then, if you think it's not political, you can click this, and you can give a reason why it is or isn't political. Then, because it is or isn't, you're able to give a reason. Next, if you're going through and you are wondering what the blocked reason is, you can click blocked reason, and that will give the AI's reasoning behind it. Now, you might be wondering, AI can be a little heavy. Well, I built in some caching, so whenever an element is first run and detected, it saves it into cache. Then, if you want to further expand this, we can go into the extensions settings. We can add additional prompts to help build things out if you think it's political or not. Then, we can also put ignored domains. So maybe you're on Facebook and you're scrolling through and it's a little annoying that it keeps finding new content and running through, you can choose to add the domain as being ignored. For instance, I'll add this and I'll refresh. And you'll see that it doesn't run. But then if I go into the ignored domains and I remove it, well, it's going to go through and run it again. I hope this is awesome for someone else besides me.